Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng sisig. Ito po yung ating ingredients. First, 1 kilo of pork, yung maskara at tenga ng baboy na pinakuluan na for about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, as traditional way of cooking sisig, kailangan po natin siyang ihawin hanggang ito ay maging crispy to add flavor sa ating sisig. As you can see, nagiging crispy na po yung ating baboy, which is yan po ang isa sa quality ng isang masarap na sisig. Ngayon, after nating inihaw yung pork natin, ngayon isunod na natin yung liver ng baboy, which is 1/2 kilo. Okay, tapos na yung ating pag-iihaw. Now, let's cut the meat into pieces. Now, we need 1/4 cup of margarine or butter. Ngayon, ready na yung ating butter. Let's add the meat, then stir it. Now, let's add the liver of pork and then continuously mixing it. Okay, this is optional. Let's add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, or kung gusto niyo ng mas marami, it's up to you. Now, let's add a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now, let's add a pinch of salt or a teaspoon of salt. Ngayon po, maglalagay na tayo ng sibuyas, which is 7 pieces, medium size, cut into pieces. And then, mix it. Ngayon naman po, to add flavor sa ating sisig, maglalagay po tayo ng kalamansi. Ngayon, ready to serve na po ang ating sisig. Ito na po ang ating finished product, pork sisig. Thank you for watching. God bless.